for joining me for my show, Jolean Does It.
Oh, hi, Jolean Thorton here, and welcome back to my kitchen and my show, Jolean Does It. Now, today in the kitchen, I am still feeling the Mexican flavor in my mouth. Cinco de Mayo just happened like a week or two ago, and, well, let's just say I'm still finishing off that case of tequila that I bought for the party that only 3 people showed up to. And they were all my kids. Alright, so today what I want to be making in the kitchen is chimichangas. I talk about them all the time, but I ain't never made them, y'all. Never! So I went on Google search and looked up a bunch of recipes, and there are some really difficult recipes out there. So I went ahead and came up with my own recipe from all these different recipes just to see how they make it. And this is a healthier version because they're baked chicken chimichangas. So I'll just give a big shout out to Google search. Thank you! Now, the ingredients you'll need for today's easy chimichanga recipe are, alright, a package of pepper jack shredded cheese, a package of cheddar shredded cheese, can of refried beans. I have 2, what size are they? Oh, son of a bitch. 2 10-ounce cans of already cooked chicken, and they're fajita flavored. Figured that'd be nice. A package of 8-ounce cream cheese. I got some chopped up green chilies, some taco seasoning, and some flour tortillas. Was there anything else I forgot? Nope. Here's what we do. Now it says here, stir together cream cheese and the cheeses. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and do that off camera. Alright, I've been trying to stir up these cheeses. I guess I should have had the cream cheese at room temperature, or at least had a hand blender. I didn't use all of the cheeses, probably like a half or 3/4 of each package. Holy son of a bitch! That is tough. Now it says, add the taco seasoning. Put that right in. And mix that all up in there. And then it says, fold in the chicken. Got my chicken there. Oh! Y'all know that I got so many stories about Tijuana. About the donkey show, about being handcuffed to the donkey on the side of the road. I don't know. I just got so many stories. I've had worse times down in Mexico than you can imagine. I even got a Mexican can. Half Mexican, because I'm half white. I mean, I'm all white. I'm all white, y'all. Don't worry. My kid's half white. Alright. And that's, oh, what's his name? Mario, I think. Oh, and so you just continue on stirring those up. Oh, son of a bitch. Did I tell you I got chlamydia down in Tijuana? Just saying. That shit burns. I guess I should have been more prepared for this recipe. Son of a bitch. Realized it was going to take so long. Oh my lord. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put in some of the green chilies. And y'all, you can add your own ingredients if you want to do beef, or if you want to do some sauteed green peppers or onions or mushrooms, something like that. That might be real nice. I swear I'm just going to put in the whole damn thing. I'm a hungry girl. And I got a cast iron stomach, so I can handle all this spice. Oops, I'm making a mess. Stirring that. Oh shit, I just lost my necklace. Son of a bitch! Yeah, sometimes down in Tijuana you get a pearl necklace. Alright, now what you want to do is you want to take the tortillas. Oh, and your oven is preheated at 350 degrees. Alright, and I got some cooking spray here. Just gonna spray that. That's nice. Now what you want to do with the tortillas, alright? You want to take a little bit of the refried beans, plop it in there, just a little bit, just like that, you don't need much, and take a hunk of the mixture, not much, but a spoonful maybe, and you want to fold, how the hell am I going to do this, and you want to fold it in, and roll it up like that. There is a chimichanga. I could have done it better. Let's do another one. I think this one might be better. Alright, some refried beans. Not much. Ooh. Son of a bitch. Oh. Cinco de Mayo was so fun. I didn't really celebrate it with my kids. Well, the ones that can drink I did, because they're over 16. With some girlfriends. We got buck wild. We was drinking tequila. Oh. Later on, I was the one that played the cop. They played the little Mexican brides handcuffed to the radiator, and I charged them with criminal intent, and the rest went wild. Oh, good times. All right, so you fold it, and you almost square it. All right, like that, and again, like that. There's your chimichanga. Now, what you want to do, I'll make the rest, and I'll come back after this. You want to bake them for 15 minutes. Well, you want to grease the tops, bake them for 15 minutes, flip that shit, and then bake them for another 15. So, we'll be back for a taste test. I just got Oh, hi, and we're back. Now, you'll see the picture of the chimichanga. It looks beautiful. You can put on some salsa. I did mine with a little bit of salsa and lettuce on top, a little lettuce mixture. You can also put guacamole or sour cream, but sour cream gives me the toots. Alright, so we're going to try this, because typically with chimichangas, they deep fry them, and this is the healthier alternative. So we're going to go ahead and try it. Oh Lord, it's steaming. Oh, here we go. It's hot. My Lord. That's alright, because I washed down a little Dayquil and Scotch cocktail. That is delicious, y'all. I mean the cocktail. I mean the chimichanga. So thanks for joining me in the kitchen today. And like I said, y'all can add your own ingredients in the chimichangas. This is just a wicked easy way and more of a healthy alternative than deep frying them is to bake them. And they are delicious, because that's pretty much what chimichangas are. It's a deep fried burrito. And when you bake them, absolutely amazing. So if you want, y'all, go ahead and don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel if you ain't yet, and go ahead and leave a recipe down below, because I'm willing to try out more new recipes. Alright, y'all? Thank y'all for joining me in the kitchen today for my show, Jolean Does It. And until next time, bye for now. Oh, I want some more of that chimichanga. Daddy cat,